Hello, everybody. Welcome into Talking Fitchburg on this Friday, May 20th, 2022. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you had a wonderful day. Glad you're tuning with us this evening for TF. Getting ready for the weekend. Going to be a kind of a weekend, at least weather-wise. It'll be a little rainy and then a little sunny. Hoping to take the Bamlets out fishing this weekend. And we'll see if that happens on Sunday night. Oh, yeah. We're going to see who can outfish Betsy because she's kicking our butt. Andrew's already losing for the. I don't even know how to explain that. So we got to get on 2-1, 2-1, and I'm at 0, so I got to get going here. But either way, hopefully you have a fun weekend plans and get out there and enjoy this weather. It'll be a little bit cooler, though, but nothing wrong with a little cool weather. We'll deal with it. But let's get to what's happening on the show today. We're going to talk about Bike Fitchburg and all the fun biking activities. It's Bike Month. That will get taken to Bike Week happening in June. We'll have all the details from Bike Fitchburg Group. Steve Arnold will be here to tell us about that. Plus, we're celebrating EMS Week. Yeah, all this week has been EMS Week, and we've got Jeff Dosslick going to tell us a little bit about Fitchburg EMS and EMS Week. So a lot of thank yous to be had on that front. But first, we turn it to the apartment fire that happened on Tuesday morning. We got an update yesterday, and here it is. At approximately 11:55 p.m. the Tuesday, May 17th, the Fitchburg Fire Department responded to a structure fire at the apartment complex located at 2118 Red Arrow Trail on City of Fitchburg. In the city of Fitchburg, the fire was extinguished quickly by first arriving companies after a victim search of the unit. A male victim was found deceased, while officials' identifications and cause of death by the Dane County Medical Examiner's Office were pending. The victim was a 64-year-old male resident of the apartment. Due to the sensitive nature of the fatality, the information was not shared at the time of the initial press release until the family was notified. Following an assessment of the scene, fire investigators determined the fire began in the kitchen. A fire originated in a plastic trash can and spread to the kitchen cabinetry and then to the rest of the apartment. Investigators learned that the fire was discovered by 2 occupants of the apartment who attempted to extinguish it by water. The smoke became too heavy, which forced one of the occupants out onto the balcony. That person was transported to the hospital. The rest of the building residents were able to evacuate the building without injury, some with the assistance by fire and police personnel. And from the Fitchburg Fire Department, says this is a devastating incident. The department extends its deepest sympathies to the family and friends of the deceased. Incidents like this stress the importance of early fire detection by having properly installed and operating smoke alarms in your residence. This is coming from Deputy Fire Chief Chad Grossman. It's unknown at this time if the apartment had a working smoke alarm at the time of the fire. Smoke alarms, again, are proven to alert residents to fire danger and give critical seconds to escape safely in a fire emergency. The Fitchburg Fire Department encourages all families to have working smoke alarms in their homes. News, we've got a pinning ceremony to talk about from the Fitchburg Police Department. Please join us, it says here, the Fitchburg Department on Monday, May 23rd at 1 p.m. at City Hall in the Francis Hutley Cooper Council Chambers. Welcome 5 new police officers. This brief ceremony will provide an opportunity to welcome the new members along with friends and family to the Fitchburg Police Department team and the city of Fitchburg. Thank you for all for showing them a warm welcome. We'll have this live for you on our channel Monday here on the COM channel, I should say, starting at 1 p.m. All right, returning our attention to a community workshop that's going to be taking place on Monday night. This community workshop is an interactive engagement opportunity that will highlight the Fitchburg Teen Center. This is happening at 5:30 p.m. Redeemer City Church, located at 5356 King James Way in Fitchburg. For more information, you can head to the website fitchburgwi.gov. Memorial Day service, tell you about the Memorial Day service in Fitchburg will be held on May 30th. This year's speaker will be Lieutenant Lisa Heitman, who has chosen her theme to remember their sacrifice as her theme. Lisa is an employee of the Fitchburg Police Department, and the United States Air Force Veteran Service will be conducted by the Oregon Brooklyn VFW Post 10272, Brooklyn and Oregon, American Legion Post 160, Military Honor Guard and Color Guard as well, and a rifleman, and also VFW Post 1318 will be part of the festivities. All are welcome. Please bring your own chair. In the event of inclement weather, we'll be moving this up to fire station number 1, 59 5791 Lacey Road, Fitchburg. We'll get that information out as we head into the weekend to the date, if we're moved not the date, but location for that. This will be out at the Gorman Wayside Veterans Memorial Park on the 30th, starting at 12:30 p.m. And turning our attention now to the 3rd annual Madison Brewery Bike Race. I'd have to sign up for this now that I have a bike. Let's take a look. The 3rd annual, well, it says here, we are celebrating Madison Bike Week with the 3rd annual Madison Brewery Bike Race on Sunday, June 5th from noon to 6 p.m. There is no marked course. Just get from Delta to Stark Weather Brewing Company, or vice versa. You could go slow. You could go fast. I like that they say that. Race time or ride for fun. Prizes first, second, and third place for each brewery. Registration online, $30 in advance, $35 at the door. 2 breweries, 3 beers, 11-ish miles. 11-ish miles and lots of fun. Maybe I can talk Scott in it for my staff for going with me on that. That'd be a lot of fun. All right, that does it for our headlines. Coming up next, we open up the digest and talk more about biking events. Steve Arnold from Bike Fitchburg. Stay tuned for that. Back right here on Talking Business.